Hello and welcome to the course navigation video. In this video I'm going to show you the best way to view the content in the course and how to complete your work. So the best way is to hit content, and I was just in unit 3, that's why it opened, but I'll start with unit 1. And you're going to see there's a unit 1 overview, we have required readings, we have an activity, the introduction, and the assignment. That's in Unit 1. Now it says we're not going to be using a traditional textbook in this course, so let's start with the overview. So the overview shows you, it gives you an introduction, it gives you outcomes, and the assignments that we're going to complete. You should use the arrow up here to go to the next one, and here you're going to find the required readings. Now, you have to hit the plus sign, it expands it, and it gives you a little brief introduction of what that is. Again, the second one, read pages 1 to 19, so on and so forth. So the interactive activity is next, and this is where it's a little bit different. So the activity is loading, and I was in there playing with it, and I'm on question 20 of 20. But to go through it, you have to read the question, scroll down, you have to continue hitting the next button on the bottom until you come to, I know I did bad on this, I was just doing it on purpose. And it says, nope, you have to have a score of 80 to pass, and so then you would have to take it again. So you would hit take again, and again, here's question number 1. I'm just going to hit anything, submit. I guess correct, and you hit the next button. So to go through the whole activity, you would always have to hit the submit next button to get to the very end. So once you're finished with the activity, you're going to come to the summary page and you would click next to go to the discussion. All the modules are set up the same way. I'm going to go again to content one more time and just show you a different unit. We'll jump to unit 4. Again, you get to see the overview, the required readings. We have that activity again. Let me click on the activity. And it does take a few seconds to load up. So this one has 4 questions. This one is matching. So I'm just going to I'm not even reading it, I'm just trying it. Just to show you, you'd hit submit. And I was incorrect, so you would go to the next one. So you go through all the questions, and again, you need 80% to complete everything. One more thing I would like to point out is the course syllabus. All due dates are found on the course syllabus. So everything that you have to do for the week, you will find on the syllabus, and there will be a date to date, the start to end, and you'll always have to finish it on the Sunday at 11:59 p.m. on the date assigned. But everything you need to do is on here. Best of luck.